everyone, I'm Bianca Ray. Welcome to Desert Oasis Healthcare's monthly wellness update, where we take a look at health headlines you need to know about because knowledge is power. When we talk about health, one of the best ways to keep our bodies at our best is to keep our hearts at their best. February is American Heart Month, dedicated to raising awareness about heart disease, which is the leading cause of death in the United States. It's an interesting story about how the American Heart Association came to be. Some pioneering physicians and social workers did studies to learn more about heart disease, and then back in 1924, they met in Chicago to officially form the American Heart Association. Their belief was that scientific research could lead the way to better treatment, prevention, and ultimately a cure. Here's some of the AHA's best tips to stay your healthiest. First off, eat colorful, meaning lots of fruits and veggies. Practice gratitude. Get about 8 hours of sleep a night and take those morning walks. AHA says it's all about awareness, getting people interested in learning more about heart disease.
The Maryland statue will once again be going red, which, it's just a real treat. Just to have people come in from far and near and ask why the statue is red. And, we can say it's for American Heart Month. And what does that mean? And what's the importance? I'm like, well, there it is. You're asking about it, and that's what we want.
All right, who's ready to get heart healthy? Let's all start today. And speaking of hearts, February is also the month of love. And remember, there are so many types of love out there. There's the love we have for family members or for friends, and of course, romantic love, but we want to focus in right now on self-love. This month, make you and your health a priority. Try that workout class you've been interested in. Write yourself a love letter detailing what you're most proud of. And stop shooting on yourself. Watch yourself talk. Words are powerful. Remember, you're doing your best. We all are. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. Thanks for listening in and empowering yourself about your health. I'm Bianca Ray. I'll see y'all next month.